Hey, welcome back, my friends. Thinking about shopping at Junyu clothing for custom suits or trendy outfits in 2025? Well, with sites like this one popping up, you're probably wondering, is it legit or a scam? So Junyu clothing linked to junyufuku.com claims to offer custom-made suits, shirts, coats, and uniforms, often at low prices. It's tied to Guangzhou Junyu Clothing Company Limited, a Chinese wholesaler on madeinchina.com. Scam Advisor gives it a positive trust score, citing a secure SSL certificate and no major scam reports. Trustpilot has growing reviews for their quality and delivery. One user loved their $100 tailored jacket. Sounds solid, right? Let's dig deeper. Right guys, so here's the good stuff. Junyu's website looks professional with clear product listings and contact info. Scam Advisor's 80% trust score suggests it's generally safe, backed by checks on server locations and tech. Some Reddit users on the subreddit praise their affordable custom fits, and madeinchina.com verifies the company's existence since 2017. They offer PayPal, which adds refund protection. But there are red flags. Scam Advisor notes the site's communication isn't fully secure due to inconsistent SSL setup, which could risk your data. The domain's relatively new, launched in 2023, and some Trustpilot reviews seem overly perfect, raising fake review suspicions. So, is it legit? Well, it's likely legit with a verified company and decent reviews, but it's not flawless. Stick to PayPal for payments, order custom items for better fit, and double-check sizing charts. So guys, that's basically it. Just use the proper payment methods. Also pro tip, always Google site name plus scam before buying. Drop your experience below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.